This is the crown of the Mayberry Beret, which you'll notice stays, we keep it all in the lace pattern even during the crown decreases, and this is achieved by moving the beginning of round marker at the end of some rounds. It can look a little bit complicated in the written pattern, so I'm just going to walk you through how to do that. You'll move the beginning of round marker at the end of round 49, and then also on some of the plain rounds, so I'll show you how to do that, and what that does is just set you up for the upcoming rounds to keep this pattern nice and in line throughout all of the decreases. So on round 49 you will have followed the instructions where it says repeat up till the last 13 stitches. You've done that last 13 stitch repeat, and now you're up to the part that says slip last stitch. So this is the last stitch that would mark the end of the round before the beginning of round marker. So I'm going to slip that. The next instruction says remove beginning of round marker. So just remove your marker and set it aside. Then knit next stitch. Then pass the second stitch, which is this one, on the right hand needle over the stitch you just knitted. That's one stitch decreased. Then slip the first stitch, which is this one, on the right hand needle back to the left hand needle. Then replace the beginning of round marker. So you've done the final decrease and you've moved the beginning of round one stitch to the left. So you're now ready to start round 50. So for round 50 you slip the first stitch because we've just worked that, and then you'll knit to the end of the round. So when you get to the last stitch on round 50 and then also on round 54 and other rounds where it tells you to work as 54, we're just going to move the beginning of round marker again. So you've knitted to the last stitch, just slip the stitch, remove the marker, and then slip this stitch that you just slipped back to the left hand needle and place your marker. And that way you've moved the beginning of round one stitch to the left and you're ready to start your next round.